This is my manual transmission for my Mech 200 final project. When I started the project, I started with a simple transmission with helical gears. As you can see, this is what the transmission looked like. After I started the build, I had to animate it. In order to do that, I had to fix and change a few things. For starters, I had to change the gears to straight gears because the helical gears did not want to work with the animation software on SolidWorks. And in video 2, I added a reverse gear to it, as well as added a little propeller to it, so I could see the thing actually moving. For the first 2 videos, everything is coming together, shifting, and moving. If you pay attention to the propeller at the end, you realize when the transmission shifts, it gets faster. This is the clutch subassembly. Ironically, this was the last part added to the whole project. It is simple and works, and the small little animation of it. Here are some still shots of the final project, which includes the inside view, so you can see what it looks like. This is the assembly animation for the project. This is the final animation for the project. It is 1 minute long, and it has well over 24 hours of work and editing to it. Last but not least are the stats and specs of the project. The total weight of the project is just over 345 pounds. The outer dimensions is 38.5 inches long, 15 inches wide, and 22 inches high. There are a total of 79 parts in the whole assembly, For ranges in materials for each component, the bushings are all bronze, the gears are all chrome stainless steel, the shafts are 1055 stainless steel, the outer shell is 1020 steel, and all the other miscellaneous parts are whatever they should be. For the gear ratios, the first gear is a 3:5 ratio, the second is a 1:1, and third gear is a 5:3, while reverse is a 1:2 ratio. And as you can see, the gear shifter is ironically upside down.